AnswerThis is an AI tool that makes research quality literature reviews in minutes instead of months. Simply type your question, select the filters that you want to apply. This includes minimum citations. You can select internet, research papers, your library, just LLM, or patents for your database, start date and end date, make a full paper or just literature review as I put, and submit search. And just like that, you have a literature review with line-by-line citations that are more accurate than any AI tool currently available. You can change the citation style, and if you scroll to the bottom, you can ask another question and you can also view where the sources came from. You get the full citations, how the source relates to your question, and relevant information from the source. You can also add another column with any of these different options. I'll choose research gaps, and you can find the exact research gaps from the paper. You can also export these sources to an SCV or BibTeX, as well as summarize it in the left here. If a source has PDF available, you can actually chat with the paper to find precise information. For example, here I can ask a question and get the exact bit of information from the paper. AnswerThis also allows you to add relevant papers to a library, so you can go back to the relevant papers that you found from literature reviews, and also search papers, which is another tool that works similar to literature reviews, except it just finds papers that you're looking for instead of providing them in a literature review. From the literature reviews that are made, you can go in and edit it to the exact style you want. We also have AI options in order to humanize text, generate outlines, generate abstracts, and generate research questions. And if you find yourself doing a specific research project, you can simply just add a project here and do all your work within one folder.